folks, I want to tell you a unique feature in Tulu. In Tulu, a lot of these half consonants get added together. Okay, so but and t and d gets joined. How do we do that? According to the Unicode standards, anything we do, say for instance, after ka, okay, if I put this becomes ku. Now if I want to do ku tu, right? I type ta. What happens for type ta? It becomes Vattakshar. It adds to it. I don't need that. So if I want to do like you see in the left here, two alphabets joined together, half consonants. D and k, or k and d, kd, right? Pat and d. So I need to put a zero with non-joiner, right? So if you see this example here, this is a poem. On the left is in Tulu, right is in Kannada. If you see, there is this half non-joiner has to be added in between to get this characters on the left, right? These two joined together, two half consonants joined together. Then we need to add this box, if you see. So it's not there in Kannada. On the right, it's written in Kannada Lipi. This is Tulu. Tulu, it works. But in Kannada, we don't need such words. But it shows up as a box because it does not know what to do with it. So that's called non-joiner, zero with non-joiner. So if I do that, anything I add after that won't be added as a adjudication or additions to the consonants. So how do I do that? So to do that, what we're going to do is put a zero with non-joiner. In the old versions of those of you who have downloaded Tulu, it's saying shift ya. Okay, so if I press shift and ya, anything I add after that won't be made Vattakshar. Okay, so if I remove it, okay, now if I add anything, let me go from the beginning. So I got this half consonant. If I add anything, it's going to add it as a Vattakshar. It adds to it. So I remove that. Now I want to add a zero with non-joiner. In mine, it is shift ya. Most of you, for the newer ones, it's alt a or alt a. Hold it simultaneously, okay? One of those. And now if I do anything, right? If I do ta, it's not going to add to the bottom, okay? I can make that half letter. So this half consonants occur frequently in Tulu, and this is how you do it. All right, good luck typing.